Did you know the London Bridge, previously spanning the River Thames in London, is now in Lake Havasu, Arizona? Throughout the year, several different scenes are displayed, including patriotic colors, pink for breast cancer awareness and purple for domestic violence awareness months, purple and gold for LHHS varsity football game days, green for St. Patrick's Day, and spooky colors for Halloween. Overall, there are over 25 different scenes programmed into the lighting system to account for several different holidays and commemorative occasions. I designed a calendar with the lighting schedule that can be purchased on Zazzle.com/Lake Havasu. The link to my Zazzle store is in the description. On Zazzle you can personalize existing designs or create your own and personalize them. Zazzle has over 1,000 items to design on or transfer existing designs to and order. Tip: at checkout you will be invited to a free trial of Zazzle Plus and get free shipping and special discounts. Just cancel before the end of the trial if you decide you don't want it.